Hello and welcome to my channel Stay Blissfully. Let's travel together. As part of my travel series to Sweden, I talked about Karlstad in my previous video. And in this video, I'll take you all to a city that has earned itself a place as one of the world's most beautiful locations to visit. It is the cultural, media, political and economic center of Sweden. Home to 1 million people, it is the first city to be awarded the European Green Capital title by the EU Commission in 2010. Yes, you have guessed it right. We are talking about Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, the city that stretches across 14 islands while Lake Mälaren flows into Baltic Sea. By virtue of its location, Stockholm is regarded as one of the most beautiful capitals in the world. Stockholm was said to have been built by Swedish ruler Birger Jarl during his reign, which stretched from 1248 till 1266 AD. Stockholm was first recognized as a town in the year 1252, and after almost 2 centuries later, in 1436, it was officially regarded as the capital of Sweden. It was liberated from Danish rule by Gustav I Vasa in 1523. Stockholm rose rapidly in the mid of 17th century as Sweden increasingly became a great power center in the Baltic region. It became a trading hub and an independent administrative unit, and therefore the old city needed a facelift. So it was remodeled and reconstructed to give it a new look. However, in the 18th century, a large part of the city was destroyed by fire and had to be rebuilt. And this time, the old wooden houses were reconstructed using stones. What we see today as Stockholm is quite different from what it was in the 16th and the 17th centuries. Stockholm was largely restricted only to Gamla stan, or the Old Town, also known as the city between the bridges, consisting of 3 islands. First, the Stad Island, which mainly contains the Royal Palace, the Church of St. Nicholas, the House of Lords, and various government offices, and of course, many more important installations. Second, the Reeder Island, which is known for the Riddarholm Church, and third, the Helgeands Island, which is the smallest of the 3 islands where the Grand Swedish Parliament House is located. This well-preserved city centre, along with the original network of streets and many of its heritage buildings dating from the 17th century, are protected by Swedish government. The best time to visit Stockholm is from May till September. It is the time when the city is in full bloom. The air is charged up and you can enjoy the sun at its fullest grace. Like Swedes, you can also enjoy the day hanging out in the sun and experiencing the best of the foods Stockholm has to offer. I would suggest one should walk the streets of Gamla Stan and its adjoining areas to feel it from the core. Don't miss to witness the change of guard at the Swedish Royal Palace. You should also enjoy the bird's eye view from the observation deck of the TV tower and take a boat tour to see this charming city. A day out for fishing in the Swedish archipelago can be a bonus if you can fit it in your itinerary. I must mention here that while you are visiting Stockholm, you should take time out to visit some of the interesting places around Stockholm. For instance, Sandhem Island and the Swedish archipelago lying east of Stockholm, and Vaxholm towards the northeast are two names I can suggest. Of course, there are many more places for you to explore. Stockholm is a city of museums. There are more than 80 museums in Stockholm themed on art, science and technology, history, people and culture, and various other aspects. If you are interested in understanding and reliving the historic moments, then you should visit them according to your interest and choice. Here, I would definitely recommend all to visit Vasa Museum, which houses a salvaged Swedish warship dating back to 1628. Reaching Stockholm is no hassle. It is well connected by air, rail, road and ferry services, and depending on where you are, you can choose the best fit options to reach Stockholm. Stockholm today is a bustling city, one of the greatest in the world. It is a sprawling metropolis where culture meets technology, where passion leads to innovation, and the essence of old and the fragrance of new blends into a perfect state of life. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you really liked it, do give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, as I promise to bring more places and cities for you to visit. Be happy and keep on traveling.